Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to change alarm volume on iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings application, scroll all the way down to the option sounds and haptics and open it. Over here, you're gonna find this option of ringtone and alert volume. By swiping on left and right, you can easily increase or decrease the volume of your alarm in this way. If you want to increase or decrease the volume of your ringers and alerts, you can toggle on for this option, change with buttons. Now the volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons. And after you are done, you can close this. Now head towards your clock app. Now you can set up your alarm. Firstly, you can set up the time. You can also select if you want to repeat your alarm or not. Likewise, you can give a name to your alarm. Now you can select the alarm sound. And after you are done, you can tap on save. So this is how you can change alarm volume on your iPhone. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.